Alright guys, I did it. I bought a 2024 Impreza RS. This is the new car for the channel. It's kind of weird, it's kind of different, it's kind of awesome. It's another unique, rare car from Subaru that we don't really get anymore. And they brought it back in modern design, modern technology, and still got that all-wheel drive, still got that Subaru look. And the coolest thing about this Impreza RS, guys, is this is the only Subaru that really looks like a hatchback, like the hatchback that should exist instead of the WRX. We don't have any plastic cladding. We got a nice aggressive front end. I actually really like how this front end looks. And we got some mud flaps on there, some OEM accessories, roof rack, air deflectors, and we're really trying to bring this paint back to life. It isn't in the best shape. This car was a used car purchase for around $24,000 is what I paid for it, with about 20K miles on it. And I love it, guys. I really do love this car. The CVT, for some reason, is pretty fun. It's like responsive enough where you can really zip around and have a lot of fun with the throttle. We got some sport pedals in there, and the sound system, Harman Kardon. The reason I got this car, guys, two reasons. The first reason, the color. I couldn't pass up the sapphire blue, right? It's the best color from Subaru. Look at how awesome it is. It shines so well. It's about to be sunset right now, so it's not the perfect lighting. We kind of missed the golden hour, but we're getting dark here. And then the second reason, sorry, I got off track there. Second reason is the package. It had every possible option for the Impreza RS. And then I added my own accessories on top of that. So we got, blind spot detection, heated seats, power seats, lumbar support. We got Harman Kardon system. We got the wireless charger, wireless Apple CarPlay, all the features you could possibly want, plus this color. I couldn't pass it up. It's a great car. I think Subaru really dialed it, Yeah, it doesn't come with the manual. My only gripe is no manual. Other than that, if you can just put that aside for 1 second, I know it's really hard for people on the internet, especially people in their Subarus. It's manual or bust, So this is the CVT. I'm having fun with it. I'm open-minded enough to be able to try to enjoy the CVT. So anyway, let's hop inside this thing and let's drive it home a little bit. We're going up Oak Creek Canyon here in Sedona, between Sedona and Flagstaff in Arizona. Beautiful place to drive. Let's get after it. All right, guys, let's hop in this baby and drive it home. It looks amazing. Hopefully the low light quality isn't super horrible for a little bit of the drive here. Oh, I was about to drive over my chair. That wouldn't have been ideal. Absolutely not. But yeah, it's kind of unfortunate, the low light quality right now, but it's all good. At least you guys can get a little bit of a taste of how this thing drives. Unfortunately, it is Halloween right now, so it's not the best conditions for spirited driving because of all the people out and drunk people and all that. Definitely want to be mindful. But yeah, we got all the accessories we could possibly want in this car, guys. Let's turn it down a little bit. Nice and quiet car too. With that sunroof open too, we could potentially have more visibility in the car. So we'll try that for now for you guys. Oh, and that's another thing I forgot to mention in the package I got is that moonroof. Really nice, handy. Handy. Also, I can turn the screen off and on. There's quite a few things I do enjoy about this Impreza RS. And the package I got. Visibility is pretty good out of this car. It's definitely better than the BRZ simply because I have more headroom and I have more free range of motion when I'm looking around, and that's really nice. The one thing this car did come with too is tint, and so that also was another game changer for me with the thought process. Now, I'm not going to talk too much about the BRZ in this video. We're going to be focused on the Impreza RS, but whenever I am talking about this, I always want to go back and talk about the BRZ. But guys, this is a different kind of car. This isn't necessarily a sports car, but it is sporty enough where I've seen people autocross these cars. I've seen people, rally them around and do stuff to them. So they're fun, just like all Subarus. And that's what's cool about it is I think this car kind of hits the nature of Subaru. You got that all-wheel drive. You got that just fun-loving hatchback and simple, practical car. And that's still what this is at its core. But the thing Subaru has done to refine that even more is pretty nice. And the power's fine. The power is fine. We got the 2.5 liter boxer engine from Subaru, which it's great. I love it. It's enough power. The CVT delivers it, you know, decently. It's nothing crazy. I like the manual option there because you can downshift, and downshifting is kind of fun, you know. It's kind of fun. Oh no, we stopped recording for a second. That's really annoying. Okay, anyway, we had to turn off the camera because I accidentally hit the power button on it. But I think I might have improved the angle a little bit for you guys here. We're going into Uptown here in Arizona. And yeah, my goal in this video, guys, we're just gonna go through the canyon a little bit, show you guys kind of how it drives in the canyon. And it does handle well. I'm gonna try to go over my impressions of the car. Instantly you get in this car and it just feels good. It feels right at home for me. Oh, look at this, an accident about to happen, guys. Look at this guy right here in the GMC. He's about to pull in front of this big car, even though he's in the wrong lane. Look at that. Oh, that was scary. It's just people don't know how to drive in roundabouts, and it's kind of freaky out here sometimes. You really got to be vigilant and on your guard. But I really do like the stock form of this car. Paddle shifting's decent. It's okay. It's decent. Well, that was kind of funny. Anyway, it's Halloween here in Sedona, and it is a beautiful night. Let's roll down the window and hear the sights and sounds. Kind of want some Mexican food. That sounds real good. Oh boy, we got people everywhere, and the traffic is moving oh so slowly. I really don't like all these people. Kind of makes me nervous sometimes. Trick-or-treaters galore out here. Boy, oh boy. That's pretty fun. I used to trick-or-treat when I was, I went trick-or-treating maybe once or twice when I was a kid. I wasn't really big on Halloween, or my family wasn't. So, man, I can't wait to get home. Guys, I only had to work 2 hours today, right? But I had to drive 2 hours to get that 2 hours of work. So that's pretty crappy, but my boss at least paid me for 5 hours, even though I was only there for 2. But still, pretty annoying. And yeah, this is not the best way to review the car right now, but hey, man, it's comfortable. I like it. It's really nice. I got an armrest, so that's another thing too. The WRX, guys, doesn't have a proper armrest. Where this car, I have armrests on both sides. Both sides. And we got even like a policeman up here guiding traffic because it's so backed up and bad. Dealing with the crosswalks. All right, now we got traffic director guy. Oh, buddy. We're in for a great time tonight. Halloween, what a crazy time. Oh, boy. All right, let's get it. They got the whole fire district out here. Just for Halloween. They got a decorated fire truck, or the fire truck's all decorated. That's awesome. They have multiple lights up here. Oh, I knew this was going to be kind of a nightmare, but whatever, guys. This is like an ASMR video now. What can I say about this car? It's really awesome. It's warm, comfortable. The seats are nice. It's a nice, cozy car, and it does just being a good car well. It's just a good little car, enough power, enough zippiness. Importantly, it has all-wheel drive. It's very safe. I think it looks really good. I think it's one of Subaru's best looking cars. You know, it really looks great. I used to think the Outback Wilderness looked good, but then you look at this and it's like, wow, this is a hatchback done right. The Outback Wilderness is a wagon, so it's not really comparable, but Subarus don't really look the best. You know, the BRZ obviously is the best looking car, right? But next to that, I would say this. The Impreza RS looks great with these body lines and the side skirts, you know. Oh, I really wish it wasn't Halloween sometimes. There's a police officer lady with a dog. Right there. How random. This is really fun for like families and stuff, but not for me. I'm just a, you know, just a guy trying to make a YouTube video here. But the low light's probably not good anyway. We gotta start filming more videos during the day. But hey, this is a nighttime video. Nighttime video. Man, we're just gonna chill here all night, it looks like. Finally, can we get rolling here? I need to get in the canyon, man. What the heck is going on? They're having like a whole Halloween celebration here. Lots of different things to do. That's pretty cool. That's a lot of people here in Uptown, though. Quite a lot of people. Can we please get moving, man? Like, I knew the traffic was going to be bad, but this is pretty bad. It's going to be at least 5 hours till I get home. Little demoralizing, you know? Driving this much. I'm a little demoralized now. We got auto start stop, we got auto vehicle hold. Both of these features are really great, even when they're combined in the drive-thrus, stuff like that. Yeah, it's pretty good. There's a collision almost about to happen there with that Tesla. Man, look at all these people. That's crazy. That's pretty funny. All right, we're finally out of there. Holy cow. Yeah, I'll cruise up the canyon for a sec here and show you guys how the handling goes. Nighttime here. It's kind of a nighttime video. You know, why not? Nighttime videos work when they're done right. I really hope Insta360 can upgrade the Go 3S though and make it like a really good nighttime camera too. Because this camera really is a game changer, guys, for making content at night. POV, it just fits on your hat so easily. Maybe you guys can see how I'm feeling now with these headlights shining right in my face. The one downside besides the CVT, which, guys, it's not the end of the world. It's easy to drive, right? Easy to drive, to do DoorDash, to commute. And when you want power, it's enough. Like, it's enough. I feel confident being able to pass people. And once you, like, understand when it kind of pulls, then you're good. But the other downside is the other car's headlights coming from the opposite direction can be super blinding in this car. So that is not ideal, but it is what it is. Handles pretty good. I might get the OEM STI strut bar from Subaru's brochure. That's the best aftermarket stuff I found for this car so far, guys, is Subaru OEM stuff. Or I mean accessories and other stuff. They have an awesome roof spoiler that looks super aggressive on this car. They have an awesome STI front lip that you can add. They have a lot of cool accessories to make this hatchback look excellent. But man, this guy is falling asleep ahead of me right here in the up here in the Honda or whatever. Annoying, man. Come on. At least go the speed limit. At least. So annoying. It is what it is. But yeah, this video kind of just showing you guys a little bit of the car, nothing too crazy. All we can really do is drive it and enjoy it, and that's it. Oh, now he's going 40 though. Now he's going 40. Now I'm the bad guy trying to pass him, you know, because he's going 45. So I keep seeing this light up on top of the mountain over there. I don't really know what that is. Maybe you guys that are familiar with Arizona might know. We're going up Oak Creek Canyon here, coming out of Sedona. One of the most beautiful roads in the world. That was a nice car. I wonder what that was. Oh, was that a Lexus? It didn't sound like Cody's Lexus, my coworker. But yeah, guys, it handles great, drives great, and I love it. It's great. Comfortable. That was one of the main things going from the BRZ to this is I just wanted something that's comfortable again. And this is a really good one. Really comfy. You could almost fall asleep in these seats. So it works. It's great. Yeah, if you guys want to become members, make sure you guys click that join button and check out the member side of That Subaru Dude. We got some content coming out for members, and we have custom emojis and emotes for you if you're interested. But anyway, guys, I think we're going to wrap this video up. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hit that subscribe button. Make sure you guys click the links in the description. Watch the playlists. We got some good Subaru stuff, BRZs, stuff like that. Anyway, we'll catch you all in the next video. Peace.